folks. Here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor train 745. This is your westbound train to Oakland, Jack London Square. Here it comes now. SC44 Siemens Charger leaded this one off. Sorry if you can't tell. If I'm in the darkness, I'm using the flashlight. If there's some coyotes down there, a train that's coming can scare them off. And you know they have to move. And here it comes now. You see the headlights getting brighter, it means it's coming closer. It is 2101. Cat car 6963 Point Reyes. Alright, this is your Amtrak Capital Corridor trains 745 to Oakland, Jack London Square. Thank you all for watching, and I am out of here. Bye bye.